I need pebble pool drain covers. How do I obtain these? Can I just buy them off a website?
So how those are made is you can buy the main drain. If you can see the edges, the pieces of that can be bought. It's, in this particular case, clear plastic, but it could be colored as well. And it has a reservoir in the top that when they plaster the pool, they take the same mud that they're plastering the pool and they plaster that lid, and then they acid wash it when they acid wash the pool, and therefore it matches. You can't buy that already done. What you would have to do is rebuy a main drain lid, probably available just about anywhere. A pool store wouldn't likely have it in stock, but it could easily order it for you, might be able to buy it online. But then you're going to have to mix whatever your pebble mix finish is, or